Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's session, we'll see one more type of prompt in prompt engineering, that is chain of thought prompts. So in our previous session, we have seen a lot of different types of prompts, and today we'll go with the chain of thought prompts, which is also called as CoT prompts, right? Yes. So this chain of thought prompts are the type of prompting technique used in AI and a prompt engineering that encourages the model to think step by step before giving the final answer. So usually we are giving some prompt so that the AI model will analyze and definitely will get some answer. But here the chain of thought prompt is a prompt which makes the AI model to think and give the step by step procedure, okay, of an answer. So when I am saying it is a step by step, so this kind of prompts are especially useful for maths, logical reasonings and the coding tasks. And this CoT prompt explicitly asks the model to explain its reasoning process. So before it gives the answer, we are supposed to ask the AI model to explain step by step how we are getting that particular answer. So the main reasons to use these CoT prompts is, first one, obviously it will improve the accuracy and also debug model thinking and makes the responses explainable and the transparent. So blindly we should not follow the answer. We will be getting the complete information about that answer. Okay, how we are getting the answer. So as we discussed it just now, it is suitable for education, coding and the data analysis. So usually along with this prompt, we need to use some strings. See, common CoT prompts. We have to start the prompt with these words, right? So first one, let's think step by step and followed by the prompt which you want to get. And similarly, explain how you got the answer. Okay, so we need to ask the prompt and also we have to use this particular prompt. Explain how you got the answer. So we are expecting the reason behind the answer. And similarly, show your reasoning before giving the final result. So that gives an instruction to the AI model. So don't give the final result. So give the reasoning to get the final result. And break down the problem logically and finally think aloud before answering the question. Right? So these words we need to give for the CoT prompts so that the AI model will generate the result along with the step-by-step procedure. So let us take an example. See, think step by step and explain how a recursion works with an example. So let us use the same prompt here. So I have started this think step by step and explain. So the AI model will give the complete step by step information, right? Step by step with a clear example. So base case, see example, see step by step how it was being done, right? So now see, if I give explain recursion, okay, explain recursion, this is a one more prompt. It's an instruction based prompt. See, I am getting this one important and summary. So we are getting only these things. So whenever you call it as a step by step, see here the prompt is a step by step explanation. See here there is an example and see how these factorial has been calculated. This is step by step. So factorial of 4, factorial of 3, factorial of 2, factorial of 1, so on, right? So this is, you feel the difference, right? So without the CoT prompt and with the CoT prompt. So we'll get the complete explanation, demonstration, right? See one more prompt, one more example. Let us take a pen cost some $10 or 10 rupees and a notebook cost of 40 rupees. So how much for 3 notebooks and the 2 pens? Show steps. So this is a CoT prompt. I'm just giving the question. So I'm just giving the question. So Yes. So previously we have given the prompt, the CoT prompt. Automatically, the further things will also be getting the same prompt. Okay. So we are getting the detailed calculation. So show steps. Let us see if there any difference among that or giving the same thing. See, step 1, step 2, add them units, tens, hundreds. So somewhat detailed explanation is here. Okay, somewhat detailed explanation is here. Some sort of difference is there. And let us go with the another. Let's think step by step. How do a computer executes a Python program? So here also we are asking the step by step procedure. How does a computer execute the Python program? So the complete procedure will be getting step by step. Yes. See, write the source code, you start the Python process, the interpreter reads the source file, lexical analysis, parsing will be done, AST transformations will be done, compilation to the bytecode, the Python virtual machine executes the bytecode, and execution model, memory management, build C extensions, errors and exceptions, exit. See, so complete details step by step. Okay. So this is how it will be useful in the education as well as the coding. And also these kind of logical reasonings. See, show your reasoning before giving the final result. So I just want to get the result. Okay. So before giving the result, I just want to know the reason. Okay. How we are getting 3 plus 2 is equal to 43, 4 plus 3 is equal to 54 and so on. Right. We are asking the complete detailed information. So it will analyze and it will do that. See. Yes. So here we are getting, right? So the number 3 appears as the second digit and the first digit is 3 plus 1 4. Similarly, first digit 4 plus 1 5 and second digit 4. First digit 5 plus 1 and second digit 5. And inferred rule a plus b. The result is a concatenation of a plus 1 followed by a. So we are getting the same thing. Okay, so 95, apply the same to the 9 plus 5. So 10 and 9, it will be 109. So we are getting the complete information step by step how we are getting a 109. Okay, it was not giving the direct answer, but it was completely explaining how we are getting this 109. So this is how the CoT prompts will be used. So this is called as a chain of thought prompts. Okay, so particularly we have to use these kind of prompts while giving the instruction. So let's think step by step, demonstrate or show your reasoning. Okay, so all these kind of prompts we have to give along with the instruction. So that we call it as a CoT prompt, chain of thought prompts. Right. So hope you understood the session, and if you enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.